At Wolverine, the first iteration in advanced camp's field training exercises, cadets train to engage the enemy, advancing on an enemy camp, firing blanks, and securing terrain for their own platoon.
It's a crawl, walk, run. That's how it works. So right now we are in the crawling phase, so they are just learning the ropes. Like, they've had classes on these things, but they haven't actually been able to go out and experience them. That's what this is. The real goal of this entire training is to teach them leadership abilities, so the abilities to make decisions, instruct others, controlling a small group.
Cadet Baker served as platoon leader during this exercise, a great chance to grow in confidence as he stepped into a leadership role and made authoritative decisions for his fellow cadets.
Thinking on our feet is like a huge thing when being a leader, and especially now you got a high stress environment and you got to make a lot of decisions on your own. It's real life, right? So like, we're not going to be doing this in a FTX environment for the rest of our lives. Some of us are actually going to be on the line. So we have to have that experience. Even though it is training, we take training seriously. And you always got to go 100% and put yourself in uncomfortable positions.
Once they pass Wolverine, cadets have more field experience and tactical knowledge, which they'll take with them to the next iteration, Panther, where they'll move from a crawl to a walk. By the time they complete all of the exercises, these advanced camp cadets will be ready to run.